killed the game, have been allowed to play on. Fair play to Goa. They've capitalised on a bad bit of management from Calcutta. Fantastic finish. Crashes it with his left foot.
Yeah, lashed in, isn't it? Roof of the net. The goalkeeper can do nothing about that. No. Gabriel always seeks to put impetus into the move. Carvalho looking for that killer pass. And this is where they could get caught on a counter-attack like this. Fikru looks to make a run.
Well, you suddenly look at the counter-attack that Calcutta had there. All of a sudden got nullified because of the speed with which all the Goa players got back Goal side of the ball very, very quickly. Great work ethic.
Crawley with his feet up for the moment.
He's waiting to go in.
Yes, it looks like that way, doesn't it? Put the pads on. Well, they did play cricket in this stadium. Borja, tall man, isn't he? He's a big, solid chunk of a fella, and he's got that one through, and that's a weak effort. I'll say that he's had nothing to do, has he, Seder, at all? Czech Republic goalkeeper. Might have some more work to do in a minute. It's in there again, and it's not away yet. We'll have it now. The referee needs to get these teams into the dressing room quickly.
There it is again. Oh dear, well, it's there for everybody to see who's guilty there.
At the moment for these two players, that man there, Fikru, and his opposite number, Gregory. Everybody needs to calm down a bit here. We'll do that by taking a break with the half-time scoreline in Goa. The goal kicked off at half-time now, then the ball is launched in here towards Fikru. He'll take it, he'll whack it, and it's a foot over the top. Much better from Kolkata, and the pullback is useful as well. And Gregory Analau was there, and now Perez is here for Goa. Miranda, back from Martins.
That's better than from Martins, keeping the possession.
And then Miranda loses it, but they've got it back already again with Carvalho.
And Santos now. It's just gone a little bit quiet, Santos, started the second half.
Yep, here he is, but his fitness levels have gone up from the last match, I think. Threads this one in, offside. It's offside, he wouldn't have counted. On course at the moment for what would be their first win in the Hero Indian Super League. Building Gregory, the man with the plaster over the eye. There's still a chance here. The shot is hard and low. It must go. It's gone through. Has it gone over the line? The goalkeeper checks. And he did right to check. It's going to be a corner.
That's good play. I've just seen Robert Perez, you know, he's just looking around at all of his teammates and giving them a little bit of applause, saying, well done, Zico's the same. He's very pleased how they kept possession there.
Yeah, Perez, and I think Andre Santos has had more influence on this game than the previous one as well. And he's got the only goal at the moment. Corner from Miranda. Martins makes a move. It's another swinger, which enables the keeper to come. He had all the time in the world to come and time that for the catch. And then throws it straight to Perez. Well, his teammates won't thank him if they score from this. That was a really poor goalkeeping. The flag stays down, but the ball misses the net. This could well be the equaliser. It is. Kolkata are level, and the Goa crowd is absolutely stunned here. Their reward here.
Oh, just a lovely flick on. Fikru involved in the making of the goal this time. Moved on to it very nicely. I thought for a minute he'd left it too long. I thought the ball was never going to come down low enough for him to put it into the back of the net. Eventually it did.
Let's have a look at this. Knocked in here. They thought the chance had gone. Fikru went for it there. And it is lashed in by Kevin Lobo, and he's got two now, and it's a terrific strike, and what a night for the Indian. He's the first Indian player to score two in the Super League.
John, that is a goal to grace any league. Wonderful, wonderful strike. He's walked onto that, hit it clean as a whistle. He's gone down. Oh, it's got up again a bit quick.
Yeah, I bet he has, because the free kick's already been taken. Gabriel Fernandez, not a good shot. I bet the referee will be glad to blow the final whistle for this one.
Good tackle. Nato's done a good job again for Atletico Calcutta, sat in that midfield area.
One last opportunity maybe for Goa. We've lost track of time here after that lengthy injury stoppage. They've got to be quick about it if they're going to get this equaliser. Here's the chance though, it's inside that danger 18-yard area. Good run. It tricks, the ball will surely come loose here, and it's out for a corner again.
You know, just at the very end, Kolkata took their chance as well, and you know, we couldn't convert a few that came our way, but that happens in sport. And all in all, you know, a very competitive game. Wouldn't like to comment on what happened off the field. I mean, you know, we all saw what happened, and it wasn't a good sight to see. So hopefully we can see less of that, and you know, more of the action that we saw on the field today, which was quite pleasing to watch.
At 25, you're the youngest co-owner in the Hero Indian Super League. We all know when you play cricket for the country, you wear your heart on your sleeve. Do you have to consciously keep on telling yourself, you know, I'm the co-owner here now? Hang on, hang back a bit.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know, sort of, because you do get excited. I play sport myself, so it's very hard to control yourself sometimes. But you know, it's good to let your emotion out for your side, but you know, it has to be a line drawn, and I realized that. So I was trying to control my emotions up there, but it's very difficult.
A fierce encounter with good football, high on passion and frayed tempers, is often a good product for the neutrals. FC Goa's home game against the visiting Atletico de Kolkata had all the ingredients of a thriller. The defeat of the home team was, however, hard to digest for Goa's passionate fans, as the home team is still waiting for their first victory. Here is the post-match press conference where Zico dissects FC Goa's latest display.
Coach, Goa actually started really well. They were leading 1-0, missed some chances as well. But in the end, not even a single pointer. Do you think this was the result at least was quite disappointing for everyone?
Existe essa questão de ser justo ou não ser justo.
There is not a kind of fair result. No?
Mas no momento que tivemos as oportunidades para
The
fazer
time
o
that we
segundo
had
gol,
the opportunity to score the goal,
aumentar o placar, a gente desperdiçou.
increase the score, and we just
Três
wasted.
oportunidades
And they
claras.
had the opportunity, clear opportunities.
E o adversário, que é um adversário
And the
forte,
opponent is a very good
adversário
quality
acabou se aproveitando de duas
They took advantage of the
decisões nossas e acabaram fazendo
and they
dois gols.
scored two goals.
Acho que futebol é assim, quando você está melhor,
When we are
você tem que
best in
aproveitar
the
e
game, we have to take the most of it.
transformar essa superioridade em gols. Nós não
We have
fizemos isso
to take the most, get this
E acabamos
supremacy and finalize the game.
sofrendo dois gols que realmente
And we got scored these two
são
goals.
inacreditáveis
Really
porque
unbelievable.
a gente treina esse tipo de
Because we
jogada,
practice this kind
os
of
jogadores
play.
estão preparados para isso, uma
The
bola
players are prepared for that.
com a gente, com ela dominada,
The
e
ball,
perdemos a bola, saiu
control,
o
we
primeiro
lost this
gol.
ball and the first
E a
goal.
segunda, a disputa de bola, deixar um jogador livre
In
no
the second
rebote.
half, the guy, without marking, get the rebound.
Ele acertou um chute bonito.
And he
E
got a
ganhou o
very
jogo.
nice shot.
O problema que eu queria relatar aqui
The
é
problem
que,
that I want to say
muito
here,
sério,
very seriously,
porque você quando chega no vestiário,
because
no
when you
intervalo
come
do jogo,
the changing room,
e vê um jogador seu dizer que foi agredido pelo técnico do adversário.
when you listen that one player of yours was like beaten by the other coach, the coach of the other
O
team.
Pires disse que levou um soco do
Pires said
treinador do
that he was
adversário.
punched on the face by the coach.
E eu acho isso lamentável.
So it is shameful.
Eu estou falando para vocês o que meu jogador me
So
falou.
I'm just telling to you what my players said to me.
Não vi, não posso
I didn't see
falar nada,
it, I cannot
mas
see that,
não acredito que o
but
Pires
I don't believe that
chegue
Pires
a esse ponto da vida
is
e
lying in this
ele
kind
não
of
vai
his
falar uma
life,
coisa que não aconteceu.
is saying something that didn't happen.
Here is a question, coach.
Isso desestabilizou meu
And
time.
it
Meu time voltou pro
unstabilized
segundo
our
tempo
team.
muito
Our
nervoso
team came to the second half very nervous.
e praticamente a O intervalo foi para controlar os nervos dos
Practically, our
jogadores.
halftime was to just try to control the nerves of our players.
Coach, my question is, did you have any idea previously that it will become so much physical? I mean, the way Gregory and Fikru was behaving, it was not a football match, it was like some American football.
Falou se você imaginar que o jogo ia ser isso como o Fikru e o estava jogando, parecia mais futebol americano, certo? Que ia ser assim.
Bom, nós entramos para jogar
Well,
futebol. Nós com Goa procuramos jogar
we
futebol.
came to play football. Goa, FC
Eu
Goa
não
came to
mando
play
meus jogadores
football.
fazerem falta,
And
não
we
mando meus
don't say
jogadores.
anything to my players to
Não tive
commit
jogadores
fouls.
nos 4 jogos, nos 3 jogos, não tive jogador
In the 3 games
expulso.
we didn't have any
Tivemos
player
2
expelled.
cartões
We just
amarelos.
got like 2 yellow
Meu time
cards.
entra para jogar
So
futebol.
my team goes to the field to play football.
Talvez os outros possam
Maybe
entrar para jogar futebol americano.
other teams can come inside the pitch to play American football.
Hoje foi lamentável
But
algumas
today
lances
was
que
really
aconteceram aqui.
regretful what happened.
Do you feel the opposition coach, Abbas, also deserved a marching order from referee? I mean, for what he did?
Você acha que ele merecia ser expulso pelo que ele fez ou não?
Eu não sei se o juiz viu.
I
Foi
don't know if the
relatado aí.
referee saw it, but it will be.
Eu relatei aquele senhor que está aí,
He told
relatei a
this
ele no
guy that
intervalo do
what
jogo,
happened in the halftime.
que o nosso jogador falou e ele
Because our
mandou
player said,
que eu
and he
fizesse
told
isso por
that we would
escrito.
do a report,
E o
written
Goa vai
report,
fazer isso por
and
escrito.
FC Go will do it written.
Então eu não sei se o juiz pode tomar
I
uma
don't know
atitude
if
sem
the
ver.
referee can take any
que
action without
aconteceu.
seeing what happened.
Mas não vamos aqui falar do juiz
So
porque,
don't talk about the referee here.
sabe?
So, what was it, Zico?
O que você achou do segundo gol do time dos caras?
Foi uma bola que a gente já sabia que ia acontecer.
It was a kind of play that we knew that it would happen.
De
It
marcação
was a
no
mistake of
rebote.
us in the marking, and we got the rebound.
A gente tem jogadores que
We have,
vão na jogada
we
e
have
outros que ficam no
players
rebote.
that go to the marking, and the other ones wait
Nós
for the rebound.
ficamos desatentos
And we
e
was
tocados.
just not paying attention the moment of the game, and it scored. Former coach of Japan, Fenerbahce and Iraq among others, Zico has all the experience in the world needed to turn FC Goa's season around. The next home game is on 1st November, where Alessandro Del Piero's Delhi Dynamos will be the opponents. It will be a crucial game as Delhi is regarded as one of the better teams in the ISL. It's also the type of match where FC Goa can gain a lot of confidence with a victory. If you have not watched an ISL match at the stadium, you should not miss FC Goa's clash with the Dynamos. Do take your children for the matches as well, because this is a fantastic opportunity to see the legends like Roberto Pires and Alessandro Del Piero play here in Goa. That's all the time we have on this show. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.